Hi there, Linda here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In case you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Linda and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you alternatives to your heat protectant spray. Most times I get comments on my videos on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram about alternatives for heat protectant spray. A lot of people have said things like, oh, I want to style my hair, but I don't have heat protectant spray. What can I use as an alternative for the heat protectant spray? And in this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you alternatives to your heat protectant spray. And if you're watching this video and not subscribed to my channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button right below and also turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe button so that you are notified when I upload a new video on our YouTube channel. So without further ado, I almost choked on my saliva. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Without further ado, let's get into this video. So this right here is a heat protectant spray. And what the heat protectant spray does for your hair extensions or your natural hair is that it helps minimize the damage that using hot styling tools can cause on your hair extensions or your natural hair. Because when you use so much heat on your hair, it has the tendency, when you use so much heat on your hair, the heat causes the cuticle of your hair to open up. And when the cuticle of your hair is open and receives that much heat, it makes the hair be prone to being dry, and by the hair being dry, it's also prone to breaking off. So by introducing the heat protectant spray to your hair before applying the hot tool to your hair, the heat protectant spray serves as a protection shield, protecting the hair from the excessive heat, which is going to be used to style the hair, either to straighten the hair or to coil the hair. So by using your heat protectant spray, you prevent damage, you reduce the effects of the heat, the impact of the heat on your hair extensions. So what are alternatives to this heat protectant spray? Like this particular brand here is the Argan Oil Protein Magic Complex heat protectant spray. Alternatives to this heat protectant spray, the first alternative I would recommend that you use is castor oil. So this is castor oil right here, and castor oil is one of the most effective heat protectant sprays you can use on your hair. Let's say, did I call this spray? Heat protectant product or oil. It's one of the most effective oils you can use to strengthen your hair and prevent excessive heat damage, because castor oil on its own naturally helps to strengthen your hair. So by the time you apply castor oil to your hair extension, your wig, your sewing, before styling it, when you don't have a heat protectant spray, you're going to notice that it's not going to cause your hair, when you're styling your hair with the hot tool, your hair is not going to suddenly become excessively dry after styling it. Your hair is still going to be smooth and shiny and very healthy, because the castor oil normally strengthens the hair. And but when you apply the castor oil to your hair, the oil serves as a shield, protecting your hair from the excessive heat that is on your hairstyling tool. And there are lots of oils that are very good that can serve as an alternative to your heat protectant spray. Let's say you don't have your heat protectant spray. Castor oil is one of the first oils that you can consider to use as a substitute for your heat protectant spray. Then the second oil you can use as a substitute for your heat protectant spray is your argan oil. Yeah, this is the oil I normally use as my moisturizer for my hair extensions. And let's say I have just this oil, I can just apply just this oil on my wig and style it without using heat protectant spray, because argan oil on its own has a level of protection that it gives your hair against excessive heat. So let's say I don't have my heat protectant spray, I can choose to use just this argan oil right here as my hair moisturizer and also as my heat protectant spray before I style my hair. So this right here is also another alternative that you can use to protect your hair from excessive heat damage. The next oil you can use to protect your hair from excessive heat damage is, of course, olive oil. Yes, olive oil. When you apply olive oil to your hair, the same way castor oil and argan oil protects your hair from excessive heat. Olive oil can also do the same thing for your hair extensions, for your natural hair, for your wigs. And there are other oils you can use to protect your hair from excessive heat damage. Oils like your coconut oil can protect your hair from excessive heat damage. Sunflower oil can protect your hair from excessive heat damage, and there are a whole lot more oils that you can use to moisturize your hair and can also serve as heat protectant spray for your hair extensions and for your natural hair. And there's something else that you can also use on your hair to protect your hair from excessive heat, and that is aloe vera. Aloe vera, yes, I know it might seem strange, but if you can extract the liquid aloe vera, like just the liquid, the clear liquid of aloe vera, you can spray it on your hair before using your hair styling, your hot styling to style. You can spray it all over the hair, let it dry, and then style your hair. Aloe vera is something else you can use as an alternative for your heat protectant spray. Let's say you can extract the aloe vera, like the liquid from the aloe vera bottom. You can just pour it into a spray bottle like this and spray it all over your wig before styling your hair. So these right here are the alternatives I have for you for your heat protectant spray. For somebody who doesn't have heat protectant spray and you don't want to cough out like 6,500 naira, 10,000 naira, $5, $10, £10 or £8 to purchase your heat protectant spray, depending on how much your heat protectant spray is being sold anywhere in the world. You can choose any of these substitutes that I've mentioned, like the castor oil, your avocado oil, your argan oil, your coconut oil, your olive oil. You can choose either of these alternatives, or even your aloe vera liquid from your aloe vera. You can use any of these alternatives as your heat protectant spray. And I hope this video was helpful for you and you got value out of it. If you did, let me know in the comment section, and also let me know what video you would like to see next on our YouTube channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye love. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.